Hello, friends. This is Raki. Welcome to my channel. I am glad you have visited here. I am hoping that at the end of my videos, I am able to help you in my small little ways. My channel is for Thosia, who wants to start a YouTube channel. B, who wants to grow their channel since C, loves YouTube tutorials. One of them, please join in my channel through subscribing, commenting about your ideas, hit like button as well. Happy to be a part of your journey here in YT world.
Now let's begin.
Okay, so last time we set up our thumbnail, we uploaded it. So today we will be learning how to set up our end screen and cards. So let us go to Google Chrome or Chrome Beta. Continue to Studio. Then click the video below the dashboard. So as you can see, I have already uploaded here 9 videos, but I haven't set up yet the end screen and the cards. Okay, let's go to the second video because we cannot use the first video. It is only 47 seconds. So let's go to the second video, which is 8 minutes and 22 seconds. Let us set up the end screen. I'll just show you how to set up the end screen here. So I'll be selecting this one, but in your case you can select which one you would like. So take note that in your end screen, it will cover from 8:05 to 8:21, so that is 15 seconds of your last video will be your end screen, will cover your end screen. So make it sure that your videos will not be covered by your end screen. So you should have to give an allowance of 20 minutes. So in here, start now. Best for viewer, I will click that. You can select most recent upload or just leave it as best for viewer, that you allow YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit the viewer, or you can choose a specific video. So I will choose a specific video here, choose a specific video, and I will select my third upload. After the second one, my third upload, this one. And then playlist. So I have only one playlist. So I'll click the playlist and YouTube journey. I only have one playlist, one video promoted, which is the next video of that video I chose, and then click save. So after the end screen, we also have the cards below. So what is the purpose of the cards? Purpose of the cards is also for promotion or promoting your other videos here. So in my case, I will promote my second video, then move this to my next video, which is this one, and another video. It depends upon you where you want to put your end screen, vid cards. After that, another video and another video. I think you can only put 4 cards in your video. But you can also put playlist, you can also put channel if you want to promote channel or playlist. So I'll be selecting one playlist here. So I only have one playlist, so I can only add that one. After which, then click save. So that's it. We will try to see if we could find here the end screen that we made and the cards also that we added. So let's go to my second video. Let's try to check. Okay, let's check the second video.
Hello, friends. This is Raki.
Okay, so as you
And that is what we will be doing.
okay, so
Bye!
success. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Until our next video. Bye.